AI Studio just got one of the biggest updates ever. A few months ago, most people were using AI Studio for prompts, API testing, and simple AI experiments. But now Google is turning it into a complete app development platform. Today, you can build full Android application, generate APKs, AB files, install them on real phones, create complete user interface, plan backend architecture, connect AI features, and build real business applications using nothing more than just prompts. And honestly, this changes a lot of things because of AI can now build complete mobile application. Then how far can we actually push it? So in this video, we are going to test the limits of a new Google AI Studio by building a complete sneaker e-commerce application from scratch. We will generate the entire app using AI, explore the design, features, shopping experience, AI integration, backend, generate an APK file, and finally run the app on a real Android phone. So let's get started. So now I am inside the all new Google AI Studio, and for this video we are going to build a complete sneaker e-commerce application. And the idea is simple. Users should be able to browse sports shoes, search product, view product details, add items to their wish list, manage their cart, place order, track deliveries, and even get recommendation from an AI shopping assistant. So I have already prepared a detailed prompt describing all the features, pages, design requirement, AI functionality, and overall shopping experience I want inside the app. I am going to paste the prompt and let Gemini start building. Now, one thing I really like about this new update is that AI Studio doesn't immediately start generating app. Instead, it first creates multiple design themes. You can see this UI style that you can choose from. This was not available earlier, and honestly, it's a really useful addition because now you get much more control over the final look and feel of your application. Now you can see there are multiple design options here, and with different layout, colors, typography, and overall style. I personally like this one most, so I will going to select it and continue. Now AI Studio will use the same and start generating a complete Android application for us. Now I'm going to skip the waiting part, and there we go. The app is finally ready. And this turned out much better than I expected. Google AI Studio didn't just generate a few shopping screens, but it actually created a complete sneaker e-commerce application with a premium design, product catalog, AI shopping assistant, wish list, shopping cart, checkout flow, order tracking, notification, and user profile management. It's good. So let's quickly take a look at what it generated. Right here, the home screen, we have featured sneaker collection, product recommendation, shopping categories, upcoming sneaker drops, and even our dedicated AI assistant section. One feature I really like is this Fit Finder tool, where user can select their preference and instantly get personalized shoes recommendation. It's good. Moving into our shopping section, user can browse products, search for sneakers, filter items, view detailed product pages with image, pricing, ratings, available sizes, and color option. You can see this. This is the product page. Now this app also includes a complete wish list and shopping cart system where user can save products, manage quantities, and review their orders before checkout. It's good. Then we also have a fully designed checkout experience, delivery tracking page, notification center, and user profile center. Right now it is showing me as a guest. And probably the most impressive feature is the built-in Gemini AI shopping assistant. User can ask questions about the product, compare different models, get sizing advice, and receive personalized recommendation directly inside the app. It's good. Honestly, if someone showed me this app without telling me it was AI generated, I would probably assume it was built by a professional development team. What do you think? Now, for backend and database understanding, I asked Google AI Studio to explain the architecture for this app. According to AI Studio, the app would use a hybrid architecture with a local database for storing user data, card details, wishlist product, and information, while a cloud backend would handle products, customer accounts, orders, payments, inventory management, and AI-powered recommendation. The database would store everything from user profile and product catalog to shopping carts, wish list, order history, delivery tracking, reviews, and notification. And for AI features, the app can connect directly with the Gemini to provide personalized shopping recommendation, product comparison, sizing advice, and customer assistant. And the interesting part is that AI Studio doesn't just generate the front end, it has also created the backend and database. So now let me quickly show you how entire shopping flow works. So I'm currently inside the product catalog. Then let's see, I just want to buy this sneaker. I will simply open a product page, check the image, pricing, ratings, and product details. Now I'm selecting my preferred size and color. Then I will add the product to the cart. Once it's added, it can open the cart, review the order, update quantity if needed, and proceed to checkout. Now I will enter a shipping address details and select people as a payment option. For testing purpose, I will use a demo payment option and place the order. And there we go. The order has been placed successfully. You can see this. Now it's open up a tracking page. I can see the complete order journey from order confirmed all the way to delivered. Honestly, this feels like a real e-commerce application and not something that was generated from prompt or just a few minutes ago. Now, I don't think so. I need to change anything. I will just show you the most exciting part now, turning this project into a real Android application. So I'm simply going to ask AI Studio to generate APK file for this app. Now AI Studio will start preparing the Android build automatically, and this can take a few minutes because it's compiling the complete Android project in a background. So I will just keep the waiting part, and there we go. The APK has been generated successfully. So I will simply open File Explorer inside AI Studio Code, search for APK, and you will see the generated APK file right like this way, right here. Now I can simply right click on this file and click to download. The best part is that I don't need Android Studio, emulator setup, SDK configuration, or any compiled build setup. It is very lengthy process, but with these new features of Google AI Studio, it's so simple. Now I'm sending this APK file to my Android phone using WhatsApp or whatever, Google Drive or anything, whatever you feels. Once the file arrives the phone, I'll open it. You just need to install it, allow some required permission. Your phone will scan the application and you just have to install it. It will take few seconds. And that's it. The app is now successfully installed on my Android device and ready to use. Just a few minutes ago, this was only an idea written inside a prompt. Now it's a fully working Android e-commerce application. And as you can see, everything is working really well. I can browse products, open product pages, select sizes and colors, and add item to the cart, complete the checkout process, even track the order status. And it feels like a real shopping experience, not something that was generated just by prompts. And that's what makes this new Google AI Studio update so impressive. You can build apps like this for your own business clients, for startup ideas, for even for learning app development and using AI. You can create multiple apps by this: e-commerce app, quick commerce app, grocery delivering apps, whatever you want to do. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Share this video with someone who is actually needing this and building something like this. And let me know your views on this topic in comments. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.